Landon, your daddy and I stayed up late last night. We ate all of your candy.
I'm sorry.
What's wrong?
You what?
Buddy, we're really sorry. We're really, really sorry. We were really hungry. Why are you sad? What's wrong? Hey. Hey.
Sorry.
Hey. Will you forgive me? Sorry. Guess what else? Guess what else we did? We're just kidding. We didn't eat all your candy. It's all in a box.
Look.
Do you feel better?
Is that a lot of candy? Look how